At first I took an A4 size paper like this, and this folding is not necessary. I'm doing it just for my own convenience. Okay, the thing is, actually in our country and here near me, stickers are available things, but I personally think that those stickers are not very much relevant to our lifestyle and culture. So now I took this notebook and I'll place my A4 size paper on it, and now I'll start to draw the things I want to use as stickers, the shapes and figures and other things, flowers, leaves, etc. I'm sorry for the lighting here because you can't see anything. I'm sorry for that, but actually I'm drawing some things here. There are really things here. You'll see later. So I'm done with one page. Now I'll do another page. So I was talking about that the stickers available in the shops are not very much relevant to our culture, the foods we eat, the dress we wear, our weather, our lifestyle, the transportation we use, everything. So that's why I'm trying to do my stickers, my own. After I'm done with my drawing, I'll darken it using another pen. You'll see. So yeah, another page is done. Now I'll darken them, and this pen is a pilot pen. I'm sorry that I don't know the tip size, but it's more than 0.5 millimeter. It's so good. So these two pages and all the drawings here. Now it's coloring time. I'm using my brush pens and sign pens and also markers. I want the vibrant colors, so I'm using these colors. You see, they're not so good, my drawing, but they're okay for me. Okay, a rose here. This water lily, it's our national flower. I like this flower so much. Okay, another thing, orange juice. Okay, this is our traditional hand fan. They're so cute actually. Lemonade, whatever. This thing is actually in beige color. I don't have that color, so I'm using this. It's our traditional farmer's hat called as mathal. These are not very much available nowadays, but I like this thing so much. Now I'm done with all my coloring. Now I'll cut them into small pieces. It's just easy. I'm using my scissors and I'm cutting them like so. Another one like so. Okay, now this thing, the hand fan, I'll add this Scotch tape on it to the front side because I want the glossy and shiny look of a sticker that should be. So that's why the front side is on the sticky side here, and I'll cut it. This clear Scotch tape will give that glossy, shiny look of a sticker. Now is the double-sided tape. I'll add it to the other side, the rear side, to get the sticky part of my sticker. So when I'll peel off the double-sided tape, the sticky side will come and I'll stick it to my journal or whatever. The only downside of this sticker is, as I use the A4 size paper, it should not be used on the same white A4 size paper. In that case, the sticker will not that much stand out. So you should remember that this type of stickers, you should use them on colored paper. Now this one is done. I'll do the other ones. So yeah, my bunch of stickers here. So do you know this? It's a burger, beef burger. I like beef burgers. So it's a normal leaf, very much cartoonish, but I like it. The hand fan, I love it so much. And do you know this? A rickshaw, I like it. We use rickshaw every day. So yeah, this is it. This is love. Do you know rickshaw is actually a Japanese word? Okay, now some I keep like this. I will color them and stick the scotch tape when I'll use them. So that's all for today. And as always, help yourself, help others. Stay elegant. Take care.